Nowadays, from playing a mobile game, listening music in computer, or to do some online shopping, everywhere Java is using. So what is Java? Java is a object-oriented programming language, also called high-level language. Java was originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystem and it was released in May 1995. It is a platform-independent programming language and it's made intended to let programmers write once, run anywhere. It is easy to learn, faster and very secure language, and that's the reason it is widely used in different platforms. So let's check the use of Java. So Java is used to develop desktop applications. Some example like media player. Java is also used to develop mobile applications. Some example like Uber. Java is also used to develop web applications like IRCTC. Java is used to develop scientific applications like MATLAB. Java is also used to develop some cloud-based applications. Java is also used to develop web server and application server like Apache Tomcat or JBoss. Also, Java used to develop embedded system like SIM card. Java is also used to develop software tool like Eclipse. Java is also used to develop some server-side applications in financial industry like banking. Java is also used to develop enterprise application like ERP system. And even Java is also used to develop gaming applications, right? Like different type of Android games. So this way different platform currently Java is using to develop different applications. There are also some framework which is also written in Java. But what is this framework? Framework is nothing but one type of tool or platform you can say that are used to develop software applications. It actually developed to make developer life easy, and developer can only focus on business logic instead of coding jargons using this type of framework. Few popular framework is like Spring, Starts, Hibernate, JSF, JWT. They all are basically written in Java. Now we understand that Java is using in different platform to develop different type of applications. But after learning Java, what is your scope or what you will do using your Java coding experience? So you can be explore your Java coding experience in any of these area. Let's check one example like web applications. So all of you are aware of shopping site, right? So when you first enter in a shopping site, so you first sign up, right? So for sign up, you have to put some details on UI level. So let's say this is a UI form where you put your name, address and mobile and then submit. But once you submit, where that data goes? So that is basically enter or that is basically stored in a database. Now think about that. Once you save or submit your data, it goes to database, but how these transactions is going on? So in between that there is a middleware where basically we written our business logic to transfer the data from this UI level to database. So this is the positions or this is the place where we can explore our Java coding. So from UI level it first come to your middle part where you can write your business logic in any programming language. For our case, let's say it's a Java, and then from here you have to put or save or commit your data in database. So this is the way you can use your Java experience for any web applications. Now coming to the first slide, the first point we check that Java is a object oriented programming. So what's that? Let's meet in the next class to check what is object oriented programming.
I believe this video has helped you to understand about the topic. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, click on the bell notifications and select all so that you don't miss any video from this channel.